What's a rent back? Are you selling your home and you need to buy a replacement home, but you need the funds of the home you're selling to purchase another property? Despite higher rates, some homes are selling with multiple offers and bidding wars. Then there is a low inventory to contend with. So many sellers are worried that they won't be able to find a replacement home, which is a totally valid concern. Hi, I'm Nick Garcia with All City Real Estate, and I help people buy and sell homes right here in the Austin area. So this is a very common concern, and one solution that can be done is I can help you negotiate a rent back on your property. You see, in a competitive market, when sellers have many offers to choose from, sellers are much less likely to take a contingent offer because there's a risk that the home the buyer is selling could fall out of escrow. This would cause a seller selling their home to have to find another buyer. The seller would lose money and waste time. So it's easier for them to accept a non-contingent offer. However, a solution for sellers who want to sell right now but are afraid that they won't be able to find a replacement home is to sell their home and do a rent back. So what's a rent back? A rent back is when after you sell your home, you remain in the property. This way you have the funds to purchase a new home and you won't have a contingent offer, so your offer is much more likely to get accepted. This will take the stress and worry off. Now, there are terms to navigate and negotiations that need to be considered to keep you safe. But after years of helping many sellers sell their homes, I've seen a lot. I know exactly what to negotiate and what needs to be considered on your behalf to keep you safe. So you don't need to worry. This is just one of the many solutions that I have up my sleeve. There are many more solutions I have in helping you sell your home or get the home of your dreams, even with limited inventory. So call me and let's talk about it.